Keep the faith, understanding and using this powerful phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very special phrase, keep the faith. This phrase is rich in meaning and can be a powerful addition to your English vocabulary. So, let's get started and find out what it means to keep the faith and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Keep the faith is an idiomatic expression that encourages someone to remain confident, hopeful, and trusting in the face of challenges or difficult situations. It's a reminder to hold on to one's beliefs or optimism, even when things seem uncertain or bleak. This phrase can be used in various contexts, ranging from personal encouragement to support among friends, family, or even in professional settings. While the exact origins of keep the faith are hard to pinpoint, it is often associated with religious contexts, where it originally meant to maintain one's belief in religious teachings despite challenges. However, over time, its usage has broadened to encompass a more general sense of maintaining belief or confidence in any aspect of life, not just religious faith. Using keep the faith is quite straightforward. It's typically used as a piece of advice or encouragement. For example, if a friend is going through a tough time, you might say, "I know things are hard right now, but keep the faith. It will get better." It's a versatile phrase that can be applied in many scenarios, from personal struggles to collective challenges faced by a community or team. To help you better understand how to use keep the faith, here are a few examples. After losing his job, Tom's friends told him to keep the faith, reminding him of his skills and the opportunities ahead. Despite the setbacks in the project, the team leader encouraged everyone to keep the faith and continue working hard. In difficult times, keeping the faith in humanity's capacity for kindness and resilience can be incredibly uplifting. Keep the faith is more than just a phrase. It's a beacon of hope and encouragement that you can offer to others or remind yourself of during tough times. It embodies the idea of staying positive and holding on to your beliefs, no matter the circumstances. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of keep the faith for you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep the faith in your journey with the English language. See you in the next video.